Mission active.
These delays are unacceptable. We're rerouting now. It's critical.
The eastern nodes are critical.
We need a contingency. I'm on it. The threat level in the region just escalated. Confirmed. Our assets are mobilizing now. What's our response time? Under 2 minutes.
We're losing stabilization on the port side.
Rerouting power now. Get me updated telemetry on the flooding.
Keep going, almost there. It's tight, one more turn. Okay, hold it.
Radar screens in a devastating stream. A
symbol of technological prowess, with its 3 jet engines and 7 massive rotor blades, was destroyed and sank deep into the abyss for 3 decades. The Navy 131 lay there, silent on the cold sand.
$131 million.
It was no longer a
and it's
war machine but a part
wrecked.
of the ocean ecosystem.
I can't believe they're
Green
driving
algae
it right
clung
through
to
here.
its great tactical
Steady now, bring her straight
fuselage.
back.
Coral began to invade
Watch
the
the
cockpit,
scaffolding.
and barnacles covered the legendary
All right,
Navy
hold it there.
131.
Sir.
As you can see, the pitting here is extensive. We need to assess the structural integrity before we can proceed with the coating.
That drum is nearly full. Prepare the next line.
Target in sight, lowering the basket. Copy that. Steady as she goes. He's secured. Hoisting now.
Check the torque on the input module.
Looks good, but I see some slight scoring here.
Ready for alignment check.
Holding steady.
Clamps are green.
Activating sequence.
Each giant airbag inflated. In a breathtaking moment, Navy 131 shaped, leaving the
Torque
muddy
is set on the
bottom
forward
after
mount.
30 years of captivity. Slowly
Pneumatics
rising
are
to the
cycling
surface
smoothly.
like an ancient monster awakening.
Good to go.
When the first rays of sunlight touch.
Okay, bring the boom down slowly. Watch the crosshairs.
Steady, steady. It's aligning now.
V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up. Tawar, we have a situation here. Requesting immediate assistance. Watch your altitude, adjust that knob.
Adjusting now. Heading stable.
Good, throttle back slightly.
Roger, throttle back.
landing. Clear the area.
Readings nominal, Commander.
Ramp fully sealed. Mission ready.
It's the rusted hull on the rescue ship's deck. The real challenge begins. At Hangar 51, the battle against the
Check
ravages
the main
of
gear
time
reading
is
on
fought
station
every
131.
second.
It seems stable
High-pressure
now.
jets blast away
Reading confirmed.
barnacles.
We are within limits.
High-tech lasers sweep away traces of rust, revealing the precious alloy frame underneath. We disassembled every component, removed every grain of sea salt, replaced miles of fiber optic cable, and installed the most advanced digital control system available today. New carbon fiber propeller blades were fitted, and the three new, multi-million-dollar jet engines were lowered back into their original positions.
Mayday, mayday, we're hit, losing control. It's out, brace for hold on, I'm trying to rotate.
Rotor up. Check.
Control maintaining heading 270. Initiating climb level 350. Roger, level at 350.
Rolled off the production line, and then, the fateful moment arrived. The roar of the turbine engines began to tear through the air. The seven-blade propeller system started spinning, creating whirlwinds that whipped up dust from the runway. After 30 years at the bottom of the dark ocean, Navy 131 lifted itself off the ground, soaring into the clouds, proudly surrounded by modern fighter jets. This wasn't just a technical restoration. This was the resurrection of an icon.
Clear the foul line.
The
Clear the foul line.
131 million.
clear the flight deck edge, elevator descending.
Hangar blade clear, coming down.
Level with the deck. All clear, all clear.